Hi everyone, we are going to make these beautiful flower sticks using pipe cleaner. So we are going to take this purple color of pipe cleaner, roll it, tie a knot and cut it. We are going to cut the extra feather. Now take a floral tape and cover the stick like this. Make more such sticks and put all of them one after another and cover it using floral tape. Now we are going to combine them on this green stick together. Pull it and give it shape and look, your beautiful flower stick is ready. We're going to make flowers using pipe cleaner. So we are taking white color of pipe cleaner, roll it in a zigzag way. After this, we're going to bend all of them and make the petal of the flower like this. Now we are going to combine and make a circle like this and add a yellow pipe cleaner at the center and look, your flower is ready. Similar way, we are going to add petals and floral tape and combine all of them on this green stick and look, it's ready. We are going to make these beautiful flowers using pipe cleaner. For that we are going to take this purple color of pipe cleaner, fold it, bend it and look, your flower petal is ready. Similar way we are going to make more such flower petals and combine all of them together one after another and tie it using a thread. Now take this white color of pipe cleaner and make the center part for the flower. Paste it on the top of it using hot glue gun. After this we are going to take this brown color of pipe cleaner and combine it using floral tape and look, your flower is ready. Make more such flowers and combine them on this green stick using floral tape and look, your beautiful purple color flower stick is ready. You can put it in a vase. Let's make beautiful flowers using pipe cleaners. We are going to use this white color of pipe cleaner, fold it and make 4 petals. Now we are going to press it and cut the extra part. After this, put this yellow color of pipe cleaner at the center and cover it using floral tape. Similar way, make more such flowers and using this thread we are going to make a bunch of flowers. Tie it like this. We are also putting green leaves around it and look, your flowers are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.